Yes, the time has finally come for us to travel back to Alibo. But traveling with 4 kids doesn't come without wahala. In the stress of departure, I remember to bring along everyone's luggage, except for mine. So everyone just went home now, rushing to get my luggage so that we will still make it on time. But I already have the tickets. So if it comes to the worst, I will go without husband and without clothes. But with my kids. No, I'm joking. I'm sure he will make it, so let's see. This is the kind of stress we have, right? And he made it! Chifty!
No.
Where are we going?
Ay na, gabay. Nugoday. Alibo.
Kaya ka Riopa.
Yes, I agree.
Riopa.
Yes, Bonnie. Organic food.
Yes. Yeah, ready. Riku! Here we go! Chief! After checking in, we proceeded to the gate and were ready to board our flight. Of course, Nanyarugu Chief had to press all the settings for a comfortable journey, and the kids were happy to have their own seat. From Zurich straight to Addis Ababa, and from there further on to the land of green nature and coal, 042 Enugu. The place we call home since having lived here last year. It goes without saying that my heart was full of joy when the wheels finally touched the ground. And as usual, we didn't waste much time, grabbing our first drink directly at the airport, with shortbread and juice for the kids. Enugu be watching out for us, especially for Chief.